Hi, this is Chef Claudia, winner of MasterChef Season 6 and now judge on the new show called MasterChef Latino, only on Telemundo. Welcome into my Cocina, where I'm going to be showing you how to use some of my favorite kitchen tools. Let's get started. Episode 1, let's talk molcajetes. I'm sure that you've seen these before and I'm sure you want one too. Now, if you purchase one, this is what it's gonna look like. But how do you get it to look like this 50-year-old one? Well, I'm gonna show you how. Now, before you start, you wanna go ahead and grab a rag. Any rag will do, but it'll help to make sure that your molcajete doesn't move around. Second, you're gonna need about a cup of rice. You go ahead and drop that inside of your molcajete, and this doesn't have to be cooked rice. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start to move the rice around. You're trying to break it up, and you wanna make sure to incorporate it all the way up the sides of the molcajete. You're gonna do this until you completely break up all the rice. The idea is to take the rice all the way up the sides of your molcajete. You want to break it up until it's all dust. What I've done is I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water just so that the rice doesn't keep popping up. This will also help you to make sure that you can get up the sides of the molcajete without the rice flying outward. One of the things that you'll notice once you're done with the first step is that even your rock, the actual mortar, is actually nice and soft. It'll be almost as though you've polished it. And that's exactly what you want from the inside, because what you're doing when you're seasoning your molcajete is actually making sure that none of that rock is ever gonna come out and into your food. Now let's go to step 2. For step 2, we're gonna go ahead and drop in about 5 to 6 garlic cloves and then go ahead and spread those around. Go ahead and mash those garlic all the way up the sides of your molcajete. Don't be afraid. Get in there. Break them up. What you'll start to see is that the oils from the garlic will actually, and more very literally, season the sides of your molcajete. And I mean, honestly, who wouldn't want an extra little bit of garlic in all of their food? Now, we need a little bit more for this step. Go ahead and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. And guess what? Keep mixing. Now all we have to do is go ahead and rinse this, and we're all done. As you can see, this molcajete is looking pretty similar. Now that it's seasoned, it's ready to make some delicious salsa, some guacamole, or well, whatever you choose to make with it. I hope you liked this video on how to season your molcajete. And hey, if you need a couple of recipes to fill that molcajete with, check out my cookbook, Claudia's Cocina, on the link below. And of course, make sure you subscribe because, well, I want to be able to share with you all of the amazing tools that you'll need here in Claudia's Cocina.